Hi, I'm Sarah, film and television editor. But I also have a side baking business called Lucky Treats. Boop, 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 boop. It's fall, which means it's finally pumpkin season. Look how cute this little pumpkin is. Today, I'm gonna bake one of my favorite things to eat during fall. Pumpkin bread. This is my favorite pumpkin bread recipe. And I think the reason it comes out so delicious and so moist is because of the sour cream. A lot of pumpkin breads don't add sour cream, and I think it's kind of a necessity. Let's start baking. Preheat oven to 350. Line your loaf pan with parchment paper and grease with cooking spray. Whisk together flour, cinnamon, baking soda, baking powder, ginger, nutmeg, and salt. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Cream together sugar, butter, sour cream, pumpkin, eggs, bloop, bloop, and vanilla. Mix, 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 mixing till combined. Mix, 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 mix. While your mixer is on low, add in the dry ingredients. Scrape, 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 scrape. Blend, 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 blend. Pour batter into prepared pan. Boop, 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 beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, 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 boop. Cook for about 50 minutes to an hour. Yum! Pumpkin bread is done. Delicious. Time to cut a slice and have some coffee. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at lucky.treats. Happy baking and happy pumpkin season.